I have 2 tips for you on how you can get free PR for your small business, and I rarely hear my colleagues talk about it. So stay tuned because I'm going to give you these tips with examples from the 2021 Oscars. So if you're new here, welcome to Coffee with me, myself, and Ivy. I'm just a coffee-loving PR pro using pop culture examples to give you social media tips and communication industry best practices. So the Oscars are taking place this Sunday, and there's a handful of people I'm rooting for. There's Viola Davis for Ma Rainey's Black Bottom, Andra Day for the United States versus Billie Holiday. Can you believe that's her first acting role ever? And she's nominated for an Oscar? Come on, that's amazing. And of course, Carey Mulligan in the movie Promising Young Woman. All of these great women are nominated for the Best Actress in a Leading Role category. But did you know that movie studios campaign for their movies to be nominated for an Oscar? Which brings me to my first tip. Connect with a college or university that has a PR or marketing program. Here's why you should do this, and here's how you're going to get the free PR. Most junior and senior level classes for PR or marketing has a campaigns class, and they usually use a real client. So if you connect with a college professor and ask, hey, can I be the real client for your student's assignment? You're basically getting a free PR campaign based on your goals, and a professor will grade it. I did this when I was in college. I know some universities in my local area still do this to this day. If there's not a university in your area that has a PR marketing program, there are plenty of universities that have online PR degrees, and reach out to one of those professors so you can be the subject of a PR campaign. Back to the Oscars. Did you know that the Oscars is another way for a movie to get some free PR? Trust me, there's some people that may not even consider watching the movie until they hear it's getting an Oscar nomination. For example, I did not want to watch Mank until I heard Amanda from Mean Girls and many other movies is in this movie. So I'm like, oh, I'm actually gonna check it out. This brings me to my next free PR tip. Connect with a local PR or marketing professional organization. There's many options. There's PRSA, which I'm a member of. That's Public Relations Society of America. There's also the American Marketing Association and the International Association of Business Communicators. Connect with your local PR or marketing organizations because they'll let you know who's doing pro bono, or they may have a pro bono program, or you can attend one of their events to network and learn about a subject. So this is why you should connect with these organizations. So who do you think is going to take home an Oscar this Sunday? I don't know, but while you think about it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Share this video with a friend. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep your peace.